bringing it.
Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Align Motions, and in today's video we are going to discuss about that how to make selection perfect in Photoshop, or you can also say it how to use Smudge tool. So let's select the background layer, go to select menu and select subject. Now select any of the selection tool and click on select and mask icon. If you see on the right side, tick on smart radius and increase the radius according to your image. It refines the edges and selection. After that, just select output to new layer with layer mask and click OK. Now we have to add a background. So click on this adjustment layer icon and select solid color. Select any of the colors you want and click OK. Bring this down, and if you see, the edges are not quite good, so take your smudge tool, and this is the smudge tool. Go to your mask and paint like this over the edges. Adjust the brush size according to your area. Now if you see the edges, to make it realistic, take an adjustment layer curves and give some clarity. Now you can see the edges are good. So this is our video, and guys, if you like this video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.